once again to another Sandwich Saturday. Here we go, we're going to make banana, peanut butter and bacon toasted sandwich, also known as the Elvis. Let's get this together. So 4 slices of bread. We're going to make 2 sandwiches. As you can see, I've put some butter on these sides. These are the tops and bottoms, so let's flip that over. Flip that over. And then let's get some peanut butter. I'm using crunchy. You could use smooth if you want. I don't know what Elvis used to have. But yeah, I like the crunchy one. Fantastic. Okay, let's grab some nana. We're going to get that on now. I've just sliced it. You can, if you want, mash it down. Some people would mash it. I just like mine sliced. I mean, they're fairly thin slices. And then we're going to go bacon. Let's get that in there. I'm using a streaky, fatty bacon that I've cooked nicely. It's looking good to me. Now, I'm not sure if Elvis done this, but I like some black pepper on mine as well. Okay, that's it. If you wanted, you could add a bit of cheese on there. I'm not going to add cheese to this. So that's the top, get it on. That's the top, get it on. Sexy gloves, press it down. Let's get over to the machine. Okay, very easy. Let's pop those on. Now, I forgot to mention that some people also put some honey in this. Some people put a little bit of honey on this one as well. I'm going just like that. Okay, I've got my machine on maximum heat. I like it like that. Gonna close it down. It's gonna be like 3-4 minutes. See you then. Okay, let's jump in, take a look. They're looking mighty fine to me. Right, out they come onto the board. Let's cut these open and see if Elvis was right. They sound good. Let's get inside and have a look. Interesting, looks good. Looks good to me. Let's have a little go on that. Bloody hell. That's amazing. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Well done, Elvis. See you later.